everyone, welcome to our channel Seek or Sikhao. If you are new to channel, please subscribe our channel. So today we'll be starting with the chapter Algebraic Expressions of Class 7 Maths. So we are not going to do the whole chapter. I have taken only the important questions that mainly come in the exam. So let's start with the questions. So the first question says, write the algebraic expressions in the following cases. Now let's start with the first one, subtraction of z from y. So I'll tell you a trick of doing these type of questions. So if we are given a question like subtraction of 6 from 9. So what happens is mainly the bigger number is written on the right side. So it is easier for us to write the bigger number first. But in the values, like in the alphabet Z and Y, we are confused and we do not know that in these both numbers which is the greater one. So what you can do, I'll tell you a trick. The number which is always written after from is written first. Like here is 9. So similarly in the question which we are given, what we can do is always write the digit which is written after from first. So we are the number digit is y. Then what we have to do? The subtraction. So we'll add the sign of subtraction. Now what we have to subtract? Z. So write z. So this is our answer. This is the algebraic expression ready for this one. Now next is number x and y both squared and added. So now let's write number x and y. So number x and y. Now we have done with this thing. Number x and y we have written. Now both squared and added. So both squared. So let's make them squared. Add 2 to both the digits. Now yes, we have squared them. And now we have added. So we'll add a addition sign. So number x and y both squared and added. So now let's come to the next question. So the next question is, identify the numerical coefficients of the terms in the following expressions. So the first one is 5 minus 3t. So when we have to find the coefficients, remember one thing, coefficients are always formed with the with the digit which is formed is always the coefficient. Like which number we have with the term t? We have 3. If there is only written 5 minus t, so it is 1. Now we have 5 minus 3t. So in the case there are two terms in this, so it is a monomial. So the expression with two terms is known as monomial. So if in the term which we have t, like we are asked to tell the coefficients of t, we have t in this term. So what we'll do is the term with no alphabet or t, we'll remove that. So let's remove this. Okay, now we are left with 3t. So as we have to tell the coefficient of t, we'll remove t also. Now we are left with the number 3. So 3 is the coefficient of the digit t. Okay, now let's do the next part of this question. Next is, okay, this question is over. Now we'll do the next question. Next is again identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So for the first question is, okay, so now first of all we have to tell that identify the term with x. So as we know there are two terms in this expression. Now we have to tell the term which contains x. So this is the term which contains x. Now we have to tell the coefficient of x. So we'll remove plus y. And now we are left with x. As I told you earlier, we have to tell the coefficient of x. We'll remove x also. Now what we are left with? We are left with y squared. So this is our coefficient of x. I'm basically explaining you how to do these type of questions. Now next is classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. So instead of taking this question, I'll tell you with an example. If you are given like 2y plus 3 and 1, okay, 4y and 3x plus 2m plus 3y. So now, as in this expression, you can see there are two terms. So the expression which contains two terms are known as monomials, and the expressions which contain only one term are known as binomials, and the expressions which contain three terms are known as trinomials. Okay? So this was the part 1 of our video. We will be coming with part 2 also. Please be ready with our by subscribing the channel and clicking on the bell icon, and we will be coming with more explanations and chapters. Thank you so much.